Welcome to SciTech Info channel, my dear students. In today's session, we are going to discuss about a very important aspect in your life, that is the career show. Miss Pavani is going to present her career showcase on Max related field. So let us welcome her. Pavani, you can proceed.
Good evening, sir, and hi all. So today I'm here to present what is my career showcase, and I'm going to choose max related field, and we are going to see what are the different applications here in this field and what is my wish and what I am going to become. So we are going to see all these different varieties in this video. So my topic is max related field, and here in this video we are going to majorly see 8 slides, and the first one is basic skill set required for the selected career, why I have chosen this field, courses in graduation level, premier institutes for the selected courses, entrance examination and selection procedure, my career plan to achieve the goal, and how I am going to apply my career to the society. And the final one is web or book references from where I took all the information. So first let's see what are the basic skill set required for the selected career. So first one is critical thinking and the second is problem solving. So we already know max is all based on problems, so we should have the aptitude of solving problem. And the third one is analytical thinking, and the fourth is quantitative reasoning. Fifth one is construct logical arguments and expose illogical arguments. And here we have communication. So you may think communication, what is the related to communication and max? So when we answer some word problem like question, we should know the communication, basic English skill to understand the question. And if you are a teacher or any teacher or professor, you should know to communicate what you know. So the basic important thing here is communication, and time management is one of the most important thing here. After all, you can solve a 1 mark question within seconds, but if you keep that 1 mark question for 5 minutes and use it, then you lost your time. So here in max, in problem solving, time management is very important thing, and independence, and we have to know programming knowledge also, because computer science also involve max, logical max. So if you have to know some logics to solve programs in computer science. So these are the basic skill set required. So next, why I have chosen this field, we are going to discuss about it. So the interest on max made me to choose this field. Problem solving, analytical thinking, communication, and time management. These are the only 4 skills I have, and which made my max more powerful, because all these 4 skills are more powerful, so it made my max knowledge much more powerful. And mainly the topics trigonometry, calculus attracted me so much because there are many interesting concepts to be known in that. In standard 11 and standard 12, we only know a small part in trigonometry and calculus, but that's not trigonometry and calculus. We have a very huge area to know about trigonometry and calculus, so I am very interested to know about it and their applications. Not only trigonometric and calculus, so their applications which we connect to our real life are so interesting. So we may connect it to our real life and we may remember that very easily. So these 2 topics in max attracted me so much, and I am very interested to know about it further. And data science and artificial intelligence. So these are the wide scope area where max is related so much, and here max plays a major important role. So artificial intelligence is also program related. where our future is also based on artificial intelligence only. Here, artificial intelligence is the intelligence demonstrated by machines, unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals, which is a great thing. And we have to learn many things about this. And I am also very interested to learn about the data science and artificial intelligence, which involves maths in it. So next, courses in graduation level. So we have BSc honors in mathematics and computer science, and we have BSc honors in mathematics and physics. So this is a basic graduation level, and the next level we have MSc in mathematics, and we have MSc in data science, and we have PG program in artificial intelligence and machine learning, and PG diploma in data science. These are the some of the major courses, not all. These are some of the major courses which I collected. So next is, what are the premier institutes for the selected courses? So what is a premier institute? There are many institutions. Not all are perfect. So we should select the best one and we should be adapted to it. So it makes our future more brighter. So here we have several premier institutes which are apt for the maths-based subject. First we have Indian Statistical Institute, and next we have Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and we have Fergusson College in Pune, and Loyola College in Chennai, and Madras Christian College in Chennai, and we have Saint Xavier College in Mumbai, and next we have Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, and next we have University of Hyderabad, and we have IITB, that is IIT present in Bombay and Bangalore. Both are topmost IIT branches. So we have also included that. And one more college is there, Chennai Mathematical Institution, which is made only for maths, which I have forgot to include in this. So which involves only for the pure maths students, which involves only in maths subjects there. And next, what are the entrance examination and selection procedure for joining these colleges? For joining Chennai Mathematical Institute, we have to write CMI entrance exam, and BS and MS dual degree, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. Here we have to clear IISER entrance exam. And for Loyola College and some other colleges, for in maths, physics and chemistry, we have to pass 12th exam with minimum cutoff of 70% for joining in this college. And JEE Advanced is also an entrance examination for the selection procedures. So next is my career plan to achieve the goal. In my current situation, my important goal is to achieve centum in maths in standard 12 board exam, and the most important goal is to get 485 plus in standard 12 board exam. So these are my current important goal which I am working on it. With my sir's guidance, I am working for it, and I will definitely achieve it using different learning strategies. So we have different learning strategies here like Kanban board, concept map, and we have 7 stages of learning strategies which help me so much to get good marks in my current school exams, and will definitely get good marks in board exam also. And my another goal is to get a placement in a premier institute, and I have to clear the entrance exams, for which I am creating a successful notes for the reference from now onwards, because for the entrance exam they may ask the questions from standard 11 and standard 12. So from now onwards, if we create a good successful notes, it will be very useful for us to clear the entrance exams, because if we read something and we'll just learn for board exam, we'll write in the board exam and we'll forget everything, and for selection exam we'll learn from first onwards. So if we write a better notes from now onwards, it will be very useful for us for referring during the selection exams. And main important thing my sir taught for me is to attempt many MCQs, because in the selection exam they won't give us a theory paper, it will be like MCQ only. So we have to crack many MCQs till we get into the concept. So MCQ is a very important thing, and we have to practice from standard 12 onwards. So next, how I'm going to apply my career to the society. So data science is a very bright scope, and data scientist might analyze the customer data of a company to understand the buying patterns of the same. So here the companies and institutions use their findings to improve their operations. So it is one of the major important scope for all the students who are very interested in maths. And our future is based on artificial intelligence, and it's going to help our society in many ways. We can use the application of mathematics as a tool to develop our country. It's very sure, I'm very sure about it. So I wish to choose maths related applications, and I wish I would develop our country in future using these tools. So next, so here are the links which I used for collecting the informations, and even you can refer these links, and you can also browse these useful things and gain your knowledge much more. Thank you for watching this video till now. I hope my career showcase would be useful to you all. So thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.